Calphalon knows that a precise extraction temperature is critical to brewing the best coffee. The new Calphalon Special Brew Coffeemaker extracts 20% more flavor. It all starts with a premium boiling system that delivers the precise temperature required to brew the perfect cup. You can personalize the strength and flavor of your coffee and program brewing to begin whenever you want. The Fresh Brew Timer keeps coffee warm for up to 4 hours, while the hot plate is non-stick, non-scorching, and easy to clean.
Cuisinart is revolutionizing the kitchen appliance world with the touchscreen 14-cup programmable coffee maker. Tap the icons on this fully automatic programmable coffee maker to make delicious coffee in your home any time of day with a 24-hour programmability feature. Use the intuitive touchscreen controls to choose a start time, auto shut-off time up to 4 hours, carafe temperature, and strength settings. When you're done and the coffee maker goes into sleep mode, the coffee maker has a sleek presentation on your countertop. The LCD touchscreen offers a self-clean feature, setting control for 1 to 4 cups, and an optional ready alert tone. With the perfect temp technology, this premium coffee maker brews hotter coffee and has both a reusable gold tone filter and charcoal water filter. The double filter technology protects the rich coffee flavor. When the coffee maker is not in use, only the power button will be illuminated, giving a sleek, streamlined appearance to any kitchen.
Coffee is part of your daily ritual, and making it better is part of ours. Drip by drip, cup by cup. We designed the OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker to meet the highest industry standards and exceed yours. We added a single-serve mode because sometimes one perfect cup is enough. The Better Brew precision brewing system starts with the push of a button, heating water to just the right temperature. With an integrated bloom cycle inspired by the pour-over brewing method to deliver a balanced, more flavorful cup. Our commitment to better brewing shows in every product we make, every time you brew. So you can savor every cup, every sip, every day. The OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker.